Let's try answering as many questions as I can sa mga questions na pinost dun sa live ko no minsan. And then I'll also try going live tonight. Oh, si Mike. Pa-flower talaga. Hello vlog, ayan. Oy, Kuya Abs, ano na? Have you done SMM? I do social, actually, ang pinakang niche ko is operations management, specializing in digital marketing. Pasabog ka doon, Bes. Alam mo yan. By the way, hi, my name is Mary and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong video so pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. Kung gumamit ng microphone for this vlog, hold on. Ayan, para mas maganda-ganda sumagot. Linisin natin, kunwari yung workstation. Nakalat. Ayan. Okay. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung anong ginagawa ko as a freelancer, I pretty much take everything that I can do. Yung last ko na position was for sales phone consultant. Wala na ako doon ngayon. Nag-end contract, attendance issue. Mamaya ko na lang ilalagay yung vlog or baka bukas. Pero naka-drafts na yun. But I also do operations management. I specialize in digital marketing. So I can do SMM. Before nag-SEO ako, kaya lang hindi ko siya masyadong kinakareer kasi nakakatuyo siya ng utak. And ayoko sana ng mga positions na masyadong gamit na gamit ang pagkatao ko. Ganon. At least, kumbaga, para sa akin, happy na ako na nakatawid tayo sa point na pwede na tayo mamili ng clients. But that's what I do. Let's check the next video. May maganda tayong question sa live. Ano po ginagawa niyong background check para malaman na legit? Ano nga bang ginagawa ko to check or do background check sa mga clients para malaman ko kung legit? Ito yung sinasabi ko na I do my due diligence before I even connect with them. Number one, para prepared ako sa discovery calls. And then number two is para alam ko if I'd still want to continue working with them based on what I see sa Google. As in Google lang yung gamit ko. Let me show you how I do my research. I think I've already posted a video about this, but let me give you a quick overview kung paano ko chine-check yung client if goods ba sila sa akin or hindi. Half na lang ng screen ko ipapakita ko sa inyo ha. But first things first, I go to google.com, tapos itinatype ko yung pangalan ng company. So just for the purpose of this video, let's just say na ang pangalan ng company is Support Shepherd. Una kong ginagawa, pumupunta ako sa google.com, tinatype ko yung pangalan ng company. Makikita nyo na dyan, meron na siyang different options. Merong careers, review, salary, hiring process, Reddit. Yan yung mga first few items na chine-check ko. But instead of diving deep into kung ano man yung iba't ibang chine-check ng mga tao tungkol sa Support Shepherd, tinatype ko lang muna yung pangalan nila. Pagkatapos, makikita ko na dito, careers, who is Support Shepherd, merong CEO, andito rin sila sa job. So, nakita ko madalas sila mag-post is sa LinkedIn. Pwede kong i-check ang LinkedIn dyan. Tapos, titingnan ko pa yung ibang mga reviews. But, some of the websites that I would definitely check would be yung social media accounts nila. So, I'd check Facebook. I'll check their LinkedIn account. And if they have a website. So, ito yung website nila. After that, makikita ko na yung Facebook nila. Looks good. So, titingnan mo, is this something na you'd be interested in working with? Itong ganitong klaseng design. And quite frankly, yung aesthetics nakakatulong din talaga sa tao kung meron silang mga ganyan. Delegation, okay. It looks like if they have this, then they might have TikTok as well. Nice! O, diba? Yung mga ganyan, yung nice ka. Next, I go to their LinkedIn account. Okay? May insight din dito. Pero to guys, for premium to, hindi naman ako naka-premium ngayon. Pero, they're up by 78% ng nagtatag sa kanila sa LinkedIn ng working for. It looks like nag-start sila dito sa LinkedIn ng 2021.
And then, median tenure nila is 0.6. So, good. Okay. Next, I want to check their website. Hindi ako usually nagre-rely sa ano ha. A lot of times, yung mga ganitong reviews may or may not be true. Unless clickable siya, nadidiretso siya doon sa profile ng tao, I don't usually rely on that. Okay? Meron silang private share link, Airtable. So, hindi nagana. 2022 ginawa yung website. Okay. Next. What I do is, I activate my VPN. Pag na-on ko na siyang ganyan, I go to bbb.org. And then I search for the name of the website as well. Find. Hindi sila lumalabas. Tanggalin ko yung location. Interesting. Wala sila sa support shop. O wala sila sa BBB. Well, that's okay. However, again, if businesses yung hinahanap natin, lalo na US-based, ito is pag direct clients na kayo, nag-check din ako sa Better Business Bureau. Kasi for example, I'm looking for, kung wala, ang target client ko is mortgage broker. Tapos, location, let's just say Atlanta, Georgia. Tapos, papipiliin ako if accredited businesses only. I'd say continue. And side note, this is also another way for you to do your manual lead gen for target clients. Anyway, makikita nyo dito yung rating, phone number, and all. So, makikita nyo dyan, PAC, BBB rating is 5.5, pero iisa pa lang yung iisa pa lang yung nagko-complain. So, let's try checking other, okay? May mga rating sila dito, and based on the rating, that's when I would make a decision if I really want to work with this company. Another way that I check if I want to work with these people or with these clients is, based pa lang dun sa email nila, halimbawa nag-email sila sa inyo, tapos nakalagay sa email is at gmail.com, yung wala man lang silang extension na halimbawa at topremoteworker.com, or hindi ko ma-check yung mismong website nila, I can find them sa social media. Yun yung mga time na medyo nag-iisip ako if I'd still want to work with these people. But syempre, nasa sa inyo pa rin yun if you want to take that risk. I really highly recommend to avoid all this hassle. Kasi imagine, 50 yung clients na gusto mong i-check. Ang hassle, di ba? Ang haba niya ng proseso. Why not go to Upwork na lang? Mas madali lang para sa akin, lalo na pag naka-early contract kasi ma-secured ka. Hope this video helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!